Chef ChefCarlaAndrea, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a keto margarita. I'm gonna put my spin on it and show you how to get down in your kitchen. What's up? So now we're gonna get into my favorite part and your favorite part, the mise en place. Cameraman, bring it on in. So I have some white tequila, I have some keto simple syrup, I have some lemon juice, I have some lime juice, I have some salt for the rim, and I have some limes. So let's get into the recipe. All right, so I'm gonna make 2 keto margaritas, which I'm super excited about because we're doing OMAD, we're doing keto. So it's nice that I can still have a little piece of normalcy. Now this is some scratch made keto simple syrup that I made. I made about 1/2 cup. I have a video that you guys can refer to get the recipe on how to make your own delicious keto simple syrup. So I'm going to take my white tequila and I'm going to add 3 jiggers because I'm making 2 cocktails. 1, 2, 3, and 1 for cheers to the weekend. All right, that's a little something extra. So now I'm going to take 1 jigger of lemon juice. Bam. Then I'm going to take 2 jiggers of the fresh lime juice. All the juices are fresh. I squeezed them myself. Very proud of that. Now I'm going to take 1/2 jigger of our keto simple syrup. Put the lid on because as we know, I'm clumsy. So before I get that rocking and rolling, I want to come back to our glasses and I want to get those all decorated cutely. So I'm going to just salt a portion of the rim. Not all of it. We want to do something just a little bit different with this cocktail. So that's it. That's all the salt this one gets. Gonna do the same. Just want to do just a little bit of the rim. All right, there you go. So now we are going to shake our cocktail. All right, it's nice and cold. Never know my strength. All the time, way too hard. All right, so we're gonna fill our cups up with ice. All right, there we go. Put some more ice into the second cup. All right, there you go. Now we are going to strain our cocktail. Delish. All right. Now we are going to add our garnish. That's it. All right, cameraman, get you a sippy sip and let's see what our first time ever keto margarita is hitting for. Wow.
Wow, that is delicious.
This is fire. I don't even know it's keto. I'm just gonna keep drinking. But like always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Cheers.